Welcome to my channel, Planning with Monserrate. I'm going to be doing a Decorate With Me for September 14th through the 20th. So before I begin, I'd like to tell everybody welcome. Please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and share the video. That'd be greatly appreciated. I am just right now looking for a pair of scissors to open this package. And this was by the Stickabilities. They have some really gorgeous stickers, and you can catch them on 50% off. It is a Paper Studio product, and look at how cute these are. And I never do like fate stickers in my normal planner. Like, I only do fate stickers in my faith planner, and since I have two, why not do it here? So again, this is the Paper Studio. So let's begin. Scissors out the way. Sometimes I like to do washi, sometimes not. But first thing I want to say is I am fearfully and wonderfully made. And that's going on Sunday. And again, my planners, I have so many, so it really wouldn't matter what I write in any of them, as long as I keep up with them. Oh, I like that. I really, truly like that. And I kind of like this cross to be center, like so. I like that. It's starting to look really nice. This one I truly like. The Lord your God is with you wherever you go. And look at the pretty flowers. So I know a lot of people don't believe, you know. I do. I truly do. So, whoever don't believe, you know, this isn't the video for you. And if you're trying to learn about God, then stick around. Because I am trying to grow with the Lord. That is pretty. I like that. So I'm thinking maybe faith. Just simple. Just like a little faith somewhere. I think on the 18th. Look how pretty that is. I love that font. The letters in the font too. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe it's better on the paper. But oh, I love that font. Faith. Let's do a little believe. Yeah, some people, I don't know. They don't know how the world works or whatever. I believe. I'm going to put up here, I think. No, I don't kind of like it there. I think I'm taking away from that cross, so now I'm going to leave it here. Just the word believe. I wanted it here, but then I'm like, no. I want it to be pretty. Like, and then I want it to be functional. So I do like trust in the Lord with all your heart. I think that would look pretty here. And then next, I only have 3 more stickers. Only, right? I love when I say that. So does my husband. We love because he loved us first. That's absolutely true. We love because he loved us first. So I'm going to put that in the center. But then I'm going to lift this. No, maybe not. Maybe I'll put thankful down here. Just like so. Like that. And I know you couldn't see that, but it's down here. Okay, so I have 1 left. We know we're going to use it. And I think that should be here. Be still, know that I am God. Right is the word of the week. It's going to be a sentence of the week. Or a quote. Whatever. I mean, not a quote, a verse. And I am thankful. Look how gorgeous that turned out. Oh my God, I can't even put you in frame. So we have the cross, we have The Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Believe. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Faith. Some of these I can't see. We love because he loved us first. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Thankful. Be still and know that I am your God. That I am God. How cute is that? I love that. I love how it turned out. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. It's still not in frame. Please subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment and share the video. That'd be greatly appreciated. So, this is a 2019 sticker. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe it'll focus. 2019 Paper Studio. Another sticker sheet done. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like, seeing faith stickers just not only in my faith, but in my everyday carry. So again, thank you. Talk to you in the next one, and have a good day. Bye-bye.